Welcome to Kirby University. This segment is on KSR and the proper descaling of a low-temp dish machine. KSR is an acid-based product and reacts violently when introduced to chlorine and creates a chlorine gas. So we want to make sure that we follow these proper procedures so that we have a safe and clean dish machine. The first thing we want to do when descaling a dish machine is drain the tank. Once the tank has been drained, we want to replace the drain and fill the tank with fresh water. What this does is allows any residual chemistry, whether it's detergent, alkali, or bleach, the sani, which is the chlorine product, from mixing with our KSR and creating a gas or possibly keeping the product from working properly. So we're going to add about 1/4 gallon to the tank. Once we've added that to the tank, we're going to take the machine and move it into the D-line mode. With that switch, we've now stopped the chemical pumps and activated the pump motor. This allows the machine to pump the KSR all over the inside and begin to melt away the calcium and magnesium from the scale. It's also a wise move to take the KSR in a spray bottle and spray around the doors so that any scale that can build up around the doors is then removed. We like to run this for approximately 15 to 30 minutes when we can. Once we've completed the descaling of the dish machine, we go back to our switch and turn the switch off. Now that we're in run mode, we will drain the tank and press the fill button so that we can rinse out any acid. Once we've achieved fill level, we would like to take and run the machine through one cycle to make sure that any residual acid that could be in the wash arms or the pump motor has been removed. Once this cycle is complete, we have a clean dish machine cleaned with our KSR product.